Good morning, students. Myself Anup Kumar, and I am again here. And it is my sixth video of this chapter, chapter one, rational number. Okay. So, students, in previous class we have already discussed about the properties of multiplication of rational number. Today we will repeat some more properties because that property is very important and you have to read it very nicely, and we will solve some examples also so that you can easily solve all the questions related to multiplication of rational number. Okay, so the topic of the today class is we will discuss about the properties of multiplication. Okay dear, so now let's start the class. So now students, some more properties of multiplication. First, negative exponent. What is negative exponent? If any rational number have negative exponent, then we will write the reciprocal of the given rational number. Such as, if you will see a by b to the power minus 1. So, a by b to the power minus 1, you can see that minus 1 is the exponent. Minus 1 is the exponent. Okay, so what will be the answer? If we will remove this exponent, in that case we will write the reciprocal of a by b. We will write the reciprocal of a by b, which is equal to b by a. Only we will change the position. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. That is our answer. For an example, if we will take 3 by 4 to the power minus 1, then it will be reciprocal of 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3. So that is called negative exponent. Okay students. Now next, multiplicative property of 0. So any rational number, if it is multiplied with 0, then always give 0. Okay, it means if a by b into 0 or 0 into a by b, in both case we will get 0. For example, if we will multiply 3 by 7 with 0 or 0 with 3 by 7, their answer will be always a 0. Okay, so I hope that you all have understood. So let's move to the next property. Okay, now distributive law of multiplication over addition. So for any three rational number, if we will take any three rational number, a by b, c by d and e by f, in that case, if we will keep a by b outside and c by d and e by f, their sum is in the bracket, not their product. Product only a by b is outside. Okay, so in that case, we can multiply it individually, like if we will multiply a by b to c by d. Okay, then a by b into c by d, it means the outside value we will multiply with each rational number which is inside the bracket. So at first we will multiply a by b with c by d and we will keep it in bracket. In between you can see here plus sign, so here we will write plus sign in between. Then again we will multiply a by b with e by f. So a by b into e by f, again we will keep it in bracket, and in both cases their answer will be c. So let's verify it. Okay, for an example, if we will take three rational number, 4 minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. So if we will minus 3 by 4 is a by b, 2 by 3 is c by d and minus 5 by 6 is e by f. So in LHS we can say that minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. So at first we will, in LHS we will solve the value which is inside the bracket. So the LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6. Okay, and 3 2 ja and 2 2 ja 4, plus minus will be minus, 6 1 ja 1 5 ja 5. So now minus 3 by 4 into 4 minus 5 minus 1, so minus 1 by 6. Now minus minus will be plus, and one more thing, it means minus minus plus, it means minus minus will cancel. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. So upside it is 1 into 1, that is 1, and 4 into 2 8. So 1 by 8, okay, is the value of LHS. Now in RHS, if we will take this term, so in RHS, minus 3 by 4, we will multiply with 2 by 3 first, and again minus 3 by 4 multiply with minus 5 by 6, and in between there is plus sign. So at first we will solve these two in bracket. So 3 will cancel, but minus sign not, and 2 2 ja 4. So outside what is left only? Nothing, it means 1, and with minus sign. So minus 1 by 2 will be its answer, and here minus minus will cancel. 3 1 ja and 3 2 ja 6. Now nothing is divisible. So this side minus 1 by 2 and this side 5 by 8. So minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 8 and between plus sign. So now we can take LCM of 2 and 8, it will be 8, and then 2 4 and 4 1 ja 4, that is minus 4, plus 8 1 ja and 1 5 ja 5, minus 4 plus 5 1 by 8. So you have seen that in both conditions LHS and RHS both are same. It means yes, it follows. Now dear, distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. It means the property will be same, but in between there is a minus sign, okay, and now everything is same. So let's check with another 3 rational number. So we will take another 3 rational number as 1 by 4, 2 by 5 and 7 by 15. 1 by 4 as A by B, 2 by 5 as C by D, and 7 by 15 as E by F. It means 1 by 4 in LHS we will keep it out. So 1 by 4 we can keep it out. Then 2 by 5 minus 7 by 15. Again LCM of 5 and 15 will be 15. Okay. Then 5 3 ja and 3 2 ja 6. 15 1 ja 1 7 ja 7. 6 minus 7 minus 1 by 15. Okay. And outside 1 by 4. So you can see any divisible, no divisible. So 1 into 1 minus 1 it will be minus 1 and 4 into 15 will be 60. So minus 1 by 60 is the value of LHS. And now in RHS we will apply this property. So we will multiply first 1 by 4 with 2 by 5 in keep it in bracket, and again 1 by 4 with 7 by 15 in another bracket, and in between there is a minus sign. Now let's see that it is divisible or not. Yes, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 ja 4. Here also no, here not divisible. So here it will be 1 into 1, 1 by 10, and this side 7 by 60. 1 by 10 and 7 by 60. Okay, and in between minus sign. So LCM of 10 and 60 will be 60, and 10 6 ja 6 1 ja, 61 ja 1 7 ja. So 6 minus 7 it will be minus 1 by 60. Again you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. It means the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction is the correct process. Okay students. So let's see some more examples. So if we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 13 by 25 and minus 1 by 8. So in that case here 13 by 25 is the question. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of 13 by 25 will be 25 by 13, or we can say multiplicative inverse is also called reciprocal. Same as multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8 will be 8 by minus 1, and which is equal to minus 8. Done. Now question number 2, find the value of 5 by 8 to the power minus 1 and minus 9 to the power minus 1. It means it is related to the property of the negative exponent. So it means you can see why 5 by 8 has the power minus 1. So the reciprocal of 5 by 8 will be what? 8 by 5. And that will be our answer. In minus 9 to the power minus 1, the reciprocal of minus 9 will be 1 by minus 9. Okay, simple. So like this we can solve it. Now, so you have to do some assignment work at your home, dear. In R.S. Agrawal book, you have to complete exercise 1D, question number 5 to 9, and you have to learn the concept which we have discussed in this video. Okay students, so thank you.